We're going to wrap up the work week with some very cold conditions. A wind chill advisory for most of the NBC 25 viewing area has been issued. It takes effect at 8 p.m. tonight, Thursday night, lasting through 4 p.m. on Friday afternoon. And we also have a winter weather advisory for some of our western and northern counties. All these counties here shaded in purple, and some cases on the far west side of the state. If you're traveling towards Grand Rapids, there's a winter storm warning in effect during the day on Friday into Saturday. Midnight tonight, not much going on. Futurecast just showing cloudy skies. There will be a little bit in the way of blowing snow perhaps in some cases, but overall the winds will temporarily lighten up overnight tonight before they increase tomorrow morning. So that blowing snow as you're heading off to work or school will be a big problem. At 9 o'clock you can see the actual snowfall is well off to the northwest of us, however. As we advance into the afternoon, Futurecast suggesting that by about 4:45 the leading edge of the snow starts making its way into the NBC 25 viewing area. Not only will we have snow at that time, strong winds will continue to blow and drift some of that recent snowfall that we've just experienced around on the roadways. And also want to emphasize it's going to be dangerously cold out there with wind chill values even during the daytime hours not getting above 10 below. In fact, at times during the morning, wind chills could be as cold as 30 degrees below zero on your Friday. Heading towards midnight Friday night / early Saturday morning, you can see that the snow picks up in intensity. The darker blues here stretching from Midland over to the Thumb down towards Flint and into the metro Detroit area, showing that moderate to maybe even some heavy snowfall bands will be moving on through at that time. But that's heavy snow shouldn't last, or heavier snow I should say, shouldn't last all that long. In fact, by 7 a.m. on Saturday you can see that the snow becomes more scattered, and during the afternoon even there shouldn't be a whole lot in the way of snow going on unless you're heading up north or into the far eastern sections of the Thumb where some flurries off of Lake Huron could continue. Tonight, just bone-chilling cold. No snow to talk about except for a little bit of blowing snow in a few spots, but that won't be a big problem until tomorrow morning. 7 below for a low temperature, but wind chills between 10 and 25 degrees below zero. On your Friday, look for a high of 15 on the thermometer, but that really won't mean much because our wind chills will be as cold as 30 degrees below zero during the early morning hours, as I mentioned, thanks to those winds picking up out of the south and southwest ahead of that approaching system. The actual snowfall starting to occur in the mid-afternoon hours. Your extended forecast, 1 to 3 inches of snow is what we're expecting Friday night into Saturday morning. Saturday afternoon we could break out into a little bit of sunshine again, but it's going to stay on the cold side. Highs only near 18 degrees. On Sunday, another system coming through will bring more snow. This one could also produce 1 to 3 inches as well. We'll have to watch as we get closer to Sunday and give you more exact details as we get closer to that date. Lows in the meantime over the weekend. Saturday night 5 below, 6 below zero on Sunday night, and even colder as we head into the coming work week. Highs in the single digits on Monday and Tuesday, with lows dropping well below zero, as cold as 10 below on Monday night. Then we modify a little bit towards the middle part of the week.